Today we will learn how to crochet this easy mini bucket hat step by step. This is perfect for beginners and takes only a few minutes. Let's begin. I made it in 2 colors. What yarn color will you choose to make this bucket hat? These bucket hats are so cute. I used medium weight yarn and a 4.5 mm crochet hook. This is a top-down crochet bucket hat in rounds. First we will crochet the top crown, next we will build the body, and then we will make the flared brim. The stitch I am using is half double crochet. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Make 1 chain. Don't count as stitch. Now work 10 half double crochet into the ring. Yarn over. Insert hook into the ring. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. Mark the first stitch in each round. We won't do any slip stitch. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Start round 2 with 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. Mark the first stitch. Round 2 completed. Total 20 stitches in round 2. This is the top crown of the hat. Now we will start the body. Start round 3 with 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. Mark the first stitch of each round. For round 3 to round 6, work 1/2 double crochet in each stitch around. We are at the last stitch of round 6. Now we will start the flared brim from round 7, with 2/2 double crochet in the first stitch. And 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, around. We are at the last stitch of round 7. Now we will start the round 8, with 2/2 double crochet in the first stitch. One-half double crochet in the next stitch. And again 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, around. At the last 3 stitches, make 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet in same stitch. One single crochet in the next stitch. 1 slip stitch in the last stitch of round 8. Cut the yarn leaving a small tail. Insert the yarn needle under the both loops of the first stitch of round 8. Now, insert the yarn needle under the back loop of the last stitch of round 8. Now weave in extra yarns. Like and subscribe the channel for more beginner crochet tutorials. Share your crochet experience in the comment box below.